There's nobody under the sun who really wants you to succeed, apart from yourself. The first person that wants you to succeed is you. That's why I keep telling Africa, if you really Africa, for us to succeed as a continent begins with us. And it's a shame. It's a huge shame that a continent with all these natural resources, with well-built, able men and women, energetic, stronger brains, we still have to wait for somebody. I am waiting to see the day Ghana Fonta de Ayashedo, Yabeka said the good ship in America, you're the force to America, America Fonche Force. Babesin ne Africa, ye force. Now, Yaria way by ye, Medanyamia say Yaria by Yariana ye guy. Now, Wababe be yeni. Now, Obakaya ye share Africa series yasi. And a baba told me say, Yenina 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tin say Africa. And yama maku edubi woha. Sa agenda 2063. Ya try agendas. Ya try several agendas on this continent. And I am sorry to say this, with all apologies to whoever is listening. We are gradually becoming fools in our sensible corners. Gradually. So we should agenda 2063 now. You are quite nice as a wajia tum say oh yena. And then make kind. One must say the kind no. And fear do every 2013. Ever say 2023 no. Sa niema we no ye niema 10 years no assessor woye. Ayua and fear soon ye 1 year 1. Adia me research chairman say AU has spent close to $29 million for what? For sitting, for what? For conferences, for what? For meetings. Why? Ya pese ya achieve sa niyama dui in 10 years. Ya chum 7 years. We have spent more than $20 million, but we have not been able to achieve a single of them. Why? Why? Yaka African unity, Africa unite, Bob Marley they are bonjum, Peter Tosh they are bonjum, when they are bonjum, Ghana for they are tonyum, Nigeria for they are tonyum, Tanzanians they are tonyum, Africa come together. Even if the whole Africa cannot come together, what is the West of Africa waiting for? So me trap him every Ghana. Nami kuta sidia. Medro Ivory Coast. Now me see this now a useless money in my hands. Ajiminya Sefa Shaminsem. Sa obi free Mali na oba Ghana. Obedru Hanane Sikada ye useless ewon nsem. Aji obenya cities. Sa me free Hana me kwa Nigeria. Medru Nigeria na me see this now a useless. Ewa mensem Nigeria ni free Nigeria no the naira ni bedru Ghana na ye useless one nsem. Why? If you say ye sika no a useless currency and ye na ye di try ye ho hurada ewa Africa ha. But some Ghana ha na me free na me kwa Ivory Coast me yi dollar there Ivorian no hoba respected dollar no na waje me kwa Mali obeje me kwa Nigeria obeje me kwa Benin obeje me kwa Burkina Faso obeje. So common sense should tell you that we need to come together as people, one currency. What are we waiting for? Na dia ya na ma me boso funo me ne say country bi na your friend China no. It's me friend 54 African countries, heads of state. Not Roma Kogu Beijing. No among $60 billion now munche. And it 54. Mo $60 billion. No money aji. We so happy. Now I think what is Sister Billion now? Now reference 54 na kwache. I mean, please. We are living on a continent. I don't know. Why? Tiai. One more say, Aiwa. 10 years here, Chemi. Yedim 7 years. Tiadia number 1 almost on Baye. Integrated high-speed train network. Connecting all African capitals and commercial centers through an African high-speed train to facilitate movement of goods, factor services and people, reduce transport costs, and relieve congestion of current and future systems. So, in 7 years, every capital in Africa, Etika Ghana, Eko Abuja, ni asinka train year juma. Aka 3 years. Aka fia mi ensa o. Yentimi emfa train Ghana ya de single Eko adua na twa ne ho saa na abese entimi mo nsa ahombo. Na ya kwatena se. Ni ya hihye saa de we. Na obi agya ho Africa. Hey Africa. Africa man penifo. Hey Africa. Now, why na share musam nkwatra de wento? Number 2, an African virtual and e-university, increasing access to tertiary and continuing education in Africa by reaching large numbers of students and professionals in multiple sites simultaneously and developing relevant and high-quality open, distance and e-learning resources to offer the prospective student a guaranteed access to the university from anywhere in the world and anytime. Who told you this lie? 10 years, no, Yedimu 7 years. This has not happened. About the brofa chotro na nakasi awo. I tell you, Yedim ye. Eche obi ha. Number 3, I almost say 10 years, say Yedimu 7 years. Number 3 in here. Formulation of commodities strategies, enabling African countries add value, extract higher rents from their commodities, integrate into the global value chains, and promote vertical and horizontal diversification anchored in value addition and local content development. This is still zero. 0. 4, establishment of an annual African forum designed to bring together once a year the African political leadership, the private sector, academia, and civil society to discuss developments and constraints, as well as measures to be taken to realize the aspirations and goals of Agenda 2063. Aiwa, ahana omukwa transi DDG allowance no omako 2. Next point. Establishment of the Continental Free Trade Area by 2017. Afeni yadru hunsi besi headquarters no ha. 2017 na way. But we year ben ye womi. 2020 mwa. Africa. To significantly accelerate growth of intra-Africa trade and use trade more effectively as an engine of growth and sustainable development through doubling of intra-Africa trade by 2022. Strengthening Africa's common voice and policy space in global trade negotiations and establish the financial institutions within agreed upon time frames. Enye Juma. Aiwa we kura na mera ho no. Maybe kind. The first 6 years, this must be done. But 6 TA. The African passport and free movement of people, transforming Africa's laws, which remain generally restrictive on movement of people, despite political commitment to bring down borders, with a view to promoting the issuance of visas by member states, enhance free movement of all African citizens in all African countries by 2018. But African passport na AU. Mokwatana sekwaji tu African passport na way. 2018 na cham. Mose 2018 from 2013 up to 2018 ayemfia enum na kamwa wie. That's your leaders are what doing what continent in moi. Your leaders are what doing nipa ho. Your leaders are nipa ho here won. Your leaders are who say mabroni na mabonten. Your leaders are who say obi awie invest on adwuma. Your leaders who say mbakwa wa no mawu. Your leaders are what doing what continent in moi. Ka common passport. Mo na muko share mu. Yampa macho. Mo kwaso mo de yenye sika na twitwa plane tickets ahodo and the free various countries e de ko share mu wo Kenya emu sika die emu nam akase awie girlfriends aye twa ticket ma won e de tratra mu de koye enyina achi kowie ya common passport mo ntimi an agree ntimi anye ntimi ye Ghana ni na me fiere me kodu Togo a ye busa me sa me mpa baby mbra kalante me kodu Ivory Coast they ask me the same nonsense wo fiere na kodu Malia they ask you the same nonsense adana nye ye that krom ha 14 African countries sika wo bobo no nkrom wo fa 20 pe no the 80% akwato France that's wo here sika ni bia wo masa akobɔ na besia ye nyare January. Menyahu any European leader. What the president every no, you're rich. Chen country no this president no. But we have 4 African leaders. What di man penny we ye Mobutu Sesekonum. What di man penny we no. No, you're richer than the country. Abacha, the president of Nigeria we no. No, you're 3 times richer than Nigeria, an oil country. It's not just as I watch it here. Not just Abacha and Kwano or wire wonimu. Abacha oil tadimu. With all the oil in Nigeria, Abacha was 3 times richer than Nigeria. This is completely madness. This is madness. Mobutu, no one yes get ham China country. Now Otibinya kukudro to be Jina national television I am standing here as your president. I am 2 times richer than the country. Are you not a fool? Are you not a fool? Listen. Ye kroma hagana hakra shekasa do ayeka. Adana Dr. Kingsley J. University of Cape Coast. Now oka. Shekasa do ayeka. With the opa yenya president to be no sorry. Said the whole Ghana. Ya pese ya ka aibekasa a national language. Trouble beba kroma. Yebeka so traba. Opa manka say hey 70% of the population a country to tree. Opa yanka say dia can by a national language. Trouble beba kroma. Meyanko fa dagbani. Mayanfa frafra. Mayanfa nzema. We will fight among ourselves because we don't think. Obia pese me dear, we don't want to sacrifice to make our country and the continent grow. Yanwan is saying amen. Yes, stati OAU before European Union ebesuya. Yen ye ma wo suya ye European Union yet OAU jawon. Why Africa? Why? Hey, why? It is a Kwame Nkrumah sorry. Nyarare sorry sese ya. Patrice Lumumba womo sorry sese ya no ba. Then yatra to hosa wo mekan. Yetimi tiye mem ti Africa, Ghana and Nigeria, Benin, Burkina Faso, Togo, Ivory Coast. Not China ni yetimi afri ni krom. Me kaita ma Czechoslovakian. No abani ya gubokitim. No din swagu sa Ghana for nom. Yanwan is saying I'm being. Yada here, kono yet continent. You see, unemployed graduate association. Now ye mfe. Now with me for employment minister, either Nigeria, either Ghana, Ivory Coast, Benin, or wherever. No one near why we have unemployed graduate association. Near your bossamba, near Jidede, near Jinsam Brania Kase, Adentra ye buy no unemployed graduate association. Yet you are 50 Juma. This is madness. The last time I checked, Ankamisu, me friend me sofo Kofi Atakura wiafe na me read that document and then a call by obisam say captain then I am say papa baby I see the bibi yo asa wo ne no him asa wo to nwom na asa bibia fa wo no na me say papa da bibia say captain bibi yaw na me say papa ani bibi yam yampa na say ada na me say Ghana ha gold da ye tu nyina ayiwa ye chem 100 ye dey 2. Quote me anywhere. This is live radio. This is live broadcast. Ask. Gold da ye 2 okroma ha nyina ye dey 2%. 2 do kura woman ye try no about 2%. Check. What is wrong with us? Huh? Kwame Nkrumah, one person, 442 industries, companies, nipa bako in 7 years. Oh yes, how do you now? What is happening? What has changed? Shenyarere, onukwao, She Patrice Lumumba. Look at what they did. We've had leaders, sir. Despite all the odds. You think it's an easy thing? I know. So we are just sorry Africa. Trying to make Africa grow. Not the big giants, I know. I have been told. But the point is that we should be able to stand up. We need people to lead us, people who will say to hell with this. Enti ene yenyere no mbe wo a loan je kwa brochire. Ye mbabe ko suku loan Africa. Ye president no mbe ko hospital atiapa abrochire loan. Ministers betiapa abrochire. Assembly bank rap so atiapa abrochire. Na ba ne sen na me. The yana yami yawa Africa had to say, yes, so Africa education na ye, and so ministers the money in a school abroach, president the money in a school abroach. That yana why yana ye no, I don't know Bankobi. Africa, the Akan Crame can I'm a boss of me. And so cry and be no more $1 trillion. Iowa, yet the question the coast piece. Yariankwa. Common water. Yenibi wa Africa. Now my question you are. Must pay $1 trillion. What they call here? You see the cost space. What they call there was space. Now free space bar. What about no got Africa. Say you bet you ade we kura no say nya asem kapesam ka bibi ayiwa say you bet be generate $1 trillion dia ko space a adan ye kwako $60 billion ho e wo China. If we can generate $1 trillion on this continent, why then do we want to go and fight over just a palpable $60 billion? I don't have that money, but it's too small a money for a whole continent, the richest continent in this world, to go fight over just a common, a meager $60 billion. I don't have that money though. But Shadi Abain Sika say, you 51 million Ghana cedis, Emma Woyomi, and I want yes, I won't try. COVID-19 by 2 weeks. Ghana by generative 44.9 million Ghana cedis. Common sense. So we a leader across Africa. Ghana Hanko America. Common sense should tell you. So we are near my year. Woman phone can contribute. Etinkayeti kroma hay nanka choko suku dabu. Na sanya katashe drum die ne proye ene sikadie kankan fun anyansa bia ntachira. Nanka ya announcement. Adom aye, hits aye, asempa aye, joy aye, Adom TV aye, Love FM aye, Nenshina FM aye atoso. Adan ye kosi choko school dan. Total ne yesen aye 20 Ghana cedis. Eti yankone yankosi. Say ye nye leaders a what ding. Na one say sikan fe sikan din sam huna. Ube mu say we did the 10 Ghana beba. We did the 2 cities. No, we did the 1 city. Read the French Revolution. How France built itself. It was through donations. It was through contributions. It was through proper understanding and planning. And again, any Tony bottom pay yadia chabanya no slow. Cause when him says sikane kwa emma at the cry yan fankoyano and ba loan cry ya kwaji ade adi besena kwa say kwa kwaji no intimi fan ye na asai se beye de na menya pepa se matum bottom na ni pay sika so de boa aban e wa Africa. And ya ye drompo yempe. Yenya ye bibiduro, yenya ye han kura se yempe o. Se yempe. So be sure dey kakra bi we no be scientist pepepe bibiduro ye poison. Anamboa. Batama wuso no ye saw. Wo maame onyamaduro na wa ma heat abam no de gu bentuam Mr. Scientist no de ahyawoto atemu wonne wo yam fini na be gu fam say cho and the winyini ya we say poison na man the wire scientist though. I'm not ruling out the scientific factor in the development of the world. No, that's not what I'm trying to say. But the main person said there you want no yen develop it there you no. And the okay scientists be no kind of carbon dioxide, the sochromodum, the sochromotre, the tuntumbru and the tuntumbra. I can say the go as I say a scientist. Hey, ye ha what show me me ma catch no, me kwaswaka, me say as a branch and I see a friend of corona no, and I am a desawaba, but Benjamin Guasia, e wo krum ha. Say about 3 boys near here, baby drone mu here, corona no, not draw. Yama bro friend that die say African country be away be drop your between the asabi no so beka o so beka and so ye krom ha Ghana hey bam can't plane and ye drop ya na dem amono bia ye de ya bia ye so ne so na ye say so ne de am ye say immune booster ne de am no manom be drop po no ma chapo no begu ho nipa 1700 one day wagam. Another 1,300 which wants to bet. This is what I want to see and hear. An African willing to succeed. An African willing to survive. Africa, why you ready, sir, to hell with BBR? And see, and crossing will mind that. I don't know, Dr. Kinsley J. Kasana Mitia DB. Such resources are your Wednesday, you know, the Kasa. No one made the external factors or treaty internal factors. No, senti gold baby by yet to Africa, South Africa 2 gold, Ghana 2 gold, other countries 2 gold. Kasa ba akwa yentimin kanti. Ye bibia wo bia say. I was reading and ra. Sese na Congo kwa aiwa almost 333 languages. Oh Congo. Me who Ghana so channel. Oba Ghana ha. Men kan wiye. But wo hwe kitten gadan gbe ga hunter gadan dia akan fante debey aguna hen ye baby. We should begin to think as blacks. Nyame anye mistakes so the bibia jay. But I say ye jaya dream wechire. Because Try University be a bind there you say ye engineering. Equipment they go na dey engineering no. As a senke dey come museum. Because people are now thinking about nanotechnology. Nano, that is the level at which some people are going. Na yeti kuroyim. Obekwa na 1824. Very dilapidated colloquial monarchical thinking na niyama na ye daso ye. Enwa de dada na egu ho. what lecturers akɛse a researchers ahodoɔ egugugugu desk so ne shelves so abom futuro because yenye leaders wɔ Africa what dream. So let me put these brains in Africa together. What can we do to survive? It's a shame. Na edu mra. Esese ye na ye ti ase ne ye ka ye ho bom ne ye se ye ho se emre no nie. Esese ye yo na ye yo ne ye. Na ntimi amfa ohaw bia mbesen ye nkom. Adia ba ko ase ye hye ne nso ne se. So bi be ye biribi ama wa. Ente se wa na wa ye. Yabesrian leaders across the continent said root time as I was a dream. Time I call United Nations. Just 1 week. Now Africa to miss sa nipa over 18,000 fee Africa at the Kogu New York. Na Congo minister or AU conference na ye chin wo JFK na ye timiaje $4 million e won bag minister ba akopɛ a wokɔ United Nations conference we do president achi na Congo minister pɛ keke na ye so no mu JFK airport na bag ba ko ya fa $4 million ewum na ya jisika na free wonsem ya ma o kapre na ya detain ni ya delay wa na ya see diplomatic dia ben nti yenja no ya minister of state na wa fa $4 million e free ukrum e de ko USA na ya je $4 million no ya ma wo hwe nti nka woni mi nyansa kura so anti card na fa to card so hwe obotomai ya yare me fancy ha Shaden Soma me say DBS roofing sheets and a Franco Trading Enterprise. This swasnia yade and the Jumedi no brew war. Meeting the smart. God bless you. Yadani ya huaba yaba. Yabe Dwaso ayade for fro.